What if I told you that an African woman is among the leading scientists who are fighting against cancer, or rather, how cancer is treated? So, right now, the traditional way of treating cancer is using chemotherapy. Chemotherapy often has a very bad side effects because the way it works is it kills every cell that's around the body or wherever the radiation is going through. So it means that even the healthy cells are going to be killed along the way. So Professor Tebello Nyokong, she's from Lesotho. She saw that there should be a better way for patients to be able to live through cancer, which is groundbreaking if you ask me, because one of the dangers of chemotherapy is the side effects are usually more than the good things that come from the treatment in most cases. So what did she do? She decided to do her research on coming up with a way using photodynamic therapy where they use light to oxidize the cancer cells. So how do they do this? They use a dye, phthalocyanine. So it's more or less like a dye that colors genes, the blue dye. So the way that it's supposed to work is doctors are supposed to inject to the patient, and then they use light to oxidize in another complex way, to oxidize now the cancer cells while leaving the healthy cells. And to think that Professor Tebello Nyokong could have not studied science, because back then when she was in school, well, she was in Lesotho rearing sheep, rearing cattle, and doing all things that African women do. When she went to school, she was told that girls do arts only, and then she was bored. This is from a book where um written by a lady called Tabitha, of 12 remarkable scientists in Africa, where she tells the story of how she came to do science. So she dropped the arts, went to do science, went to do chemistry. She's now a very renowned chemistry in Rhodes University in South Africa, where she has built a state of the art cancer research center with her fellow researchers. And the reason why I need more Africans to tell these stories is for people who need to see themselves in such situations. For a young girl, a young boy who wants to see themselves as a scientist, but they don't know that it can be done. But Professor Tebello Nyakong did it, and she's doing it, and she's remarkable.